Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a 2015 Pete 389 factory built glider kit to show you. Built with a 6NZ 550 cat, 13 speed. Truck's only got 500,000 original miles, 75,000 miles on a platinum overhaul paperwork. Wet kit. I've gotten it hot this morning. Going to do a full walk around, show you everything that we got here. Show you underneath the hood, frame rails, tires, brakes. Finish up on the inside. Let's go ahead and get started. You'll notice this truck was originally white. The firewall's still white. There's a few little pecks that show white, but overall the red looks pretty good. Mobile looks good. See a few little spots in the white there, just chips. Really cool to feel. The dog ear straights, painted to match visor, the extra chicken lights, and stainless. Looks really good. Like the boxes as well. All new rubber, air track suspension, air slide fifth wheel. All aluminum wheels. New brakes as well. Interior's nice and clean. There's your wet kit tower. Great low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs. And oil pressure climbs up there nice, really above 70. So, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.